to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-host is Steven.
Oh man, Sam's not here.
Steven, we're separated again, and it's very sad. You're like so far away from me, because where's
It's
Sam
like
would
that
be?
one scene from the Captain Underpants movie.
Yeah, I would move it. I would fix it, but then the next time I'll have to fix it again when Sam's back. So I think I'm gonna leave it. So we have very exciting news, everyone. Microsoft, at one point today, now not anymore, but Microsoft did overtake Apple for the most valuable company in the world, and then it kind of went backwards.
Yeah.
But yeah, apparently, yeah, at one point, Apple's market cap was 2,871 billion. And Microsoft's was 2,885 billion, which was a lot higher. But then by the end of the day, it had switched back. So, like I said yesterday, it's gonna keep going back and forth. It just all depends. But it's cool because we have not seen a company take first place in a very long time. Besides Apple,
Yeah.
Apple has been for a while, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, both Microsoft and Apple, very good companies. Microsoft is at an all-time high today, I believe. Let me just double. It might not be. No, it's a few cents off. It's very, very close to an all-time high. At its valuation, its stock price. But
That makes me mad.
yeah, I mean, it was. Apple's not though. Apple's pretty far down, which is why that Microsoft was able to kind of just get in there for a second. So maybe we'll see tomorrow. Stock market's closed, so it's not gonna. Microsoft can't do it tomorrow because the market's closed. Sunday they can't do it. Monday though, I believe the market's open, but we will not be live streaming. Just so you all know, because there's no school. It's Martin Luther King
It's
Day.
very sad, but also very happy.
Is the market open? All right, I need to see if it's open. Mostly for myself, but also so I can tell you people. Is the stock market closed? Closed? Oh, I think it is. Yes. All right. Yeah, it is closed, sadly, because now I won't be able to watch. Man. And then market closure will come on President's Day. All right. So yeah. So it's closed on January 15th, which is Martin Luther King Day. So we will not know what company will be the highest in the world, because Apple's the largest company in the world. But we will know Tuesday, so stay tuned. And hopefully, maybe place your bets. Maybe we should put a Twitter poll. That would be fun.
Totally.
All right. What else? Oh yeah, I gotta say, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. It's very important, everyone. Because I hope you have friends, and friends are very good. So make sure to go do that. And let's see, what else? Oh, do we have a fun fact for today?
Yes, we do. And it's also Apple again.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, there's two things. These are big things. All right. So in 1996, today, Apple posted their major loss in Apple Computer announces that it will post a US dollar 68 million first quarter loss. That's a lot of money.
Yeah. When was this?
January 12th, 1996.
I know there was like a rough patch in Apple's history. And I think it was around that time. It was a little after. It was like more towards the 2000s, and like they weren't doing well. And then that of course they came back and became the most valuable company in the world, except for one point at today. But yeah, so pretty interesting. And did you say we have another one?
Yep. So on this day in 1970, the Boeing 700. Wait, I forgot to say this. Boeing 747 flies for the first time.
Wow.
Oh wait, there's a third one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so in 1968, the phone number 911 was born by AT&T.
Interesting. Yeah, I was wondering when that happened. And did you know it's in all different countries? There's a different number for the fire department and
Oh
emergency
really?
services. Yeah, if you go to another country, don't dial 911 because that's not gonna do anything. So before you go to another country, you should probably look up what that country's is. But yeah, it's
Oh,
all
it's 999 in the UK.
interesting. I hope none of them are 666 because that would be kind of scary.
That wouldn't
Um,
be very
I would
funny.
not be calling that if I was in danger. All right. Now we gotta. Oh, before I do that, let me do my drink review. Today I do have coffee, but it's not homemade. It's from Starbucks. All right. It's a caramel frappuccino. And in the largest size possible because I accidentally clicked the wrong button. And I rate it a 10 out of 10. And then I also have the same pretzels that I've had all week. Not the same ones, the same brand. Just want to
You've
put that
just
out
been
there.
like regurgitating them and then eating them
Nope,
again.
nope, 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 not even a little. And then okay, so I guess my Starbies comment kind of goes with my next topic. All right, and the topic is not what it seems like, but all of you might know the movie Mean Girls. It came out in 2004. They remade it, and it's in theaters now. I haven't seen it, and I won't see it because I'm not very interested in seeing it. But the interesting thing is Google put in an Easter egg into Google. So as you all should be able to see, um,
Whoa,
when
it
I
turned pink.
when I go to the page and I click on this little drawing button, this whole thing happens. And I think I should probably have seen the movie to understand what this is, but when I click on different places, I get all different things on the screen. And I assume this relates to the movie. But if you're bored in class one day and you want to check it out, you can. But yeah. So there you go. By the way, we have very little news for today, so that's why we're talking about Mean Girls. We apologize for that, but don't be mad at us, be mad at the world. They just did nothing interesting today. One thing is, CES is over, which is very sad. I think actually today
I'm
was the
very
last day, so
sad.
it's like ending today, I believe. But yeah, it's very sad. We had a lot of interesting stuff be announced throughout the week. And that's really why we don't have anything today because it's over and all the companies are tired. They gave out all their news. We do have some Kidoyo news which we can go over. I kind of forgot about that, so we can do that. But and maybe we'll do a GimKit game because Steven suggested it and it sounds pretty
We
fun.
should play Gimkit.
All right, so there you go. That was the Easter egg. But let's look at some of this Kidoyo news because there's been news flowing in, and we should probably I'll say it again on Monday. But just to go over it a little. So Dev posted that they have a whole list of apps that are gonna be put into all the passport communities and school communities. So most of these you probably already know, but what I think Dev was saying is there's new AI features in some of them. But the ones you don't know, most likely, or the one you don't know, is this DAT AI, okay? And Dev explained what DAT means. And as I just demonstrated, it's kind of funny because you can be like, what does that AI do? And you're like, that AI? What AI? And you're like, that. And that was his explanation, basically.
That's kind of funny.
I'll read it off to you exactly what he said, but that was pretty much what he said. Okay, so HS said, so I just checked. My school has all except. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't it. HS said, I can't be the only person who thought DAT AI was a young teen or child's idea like just the name. And then Dev said, in conversation, what's DAT AI do? And he said, DAT equals data, DAT insert AI type. So yeah, that's the explanation. There's a very Dev explanation, if I say so myself. But yeah, so he said that I'm joking on a pretzel. Oh my god. This is the end, everyone. I'm going down. No, Dev said that DAT AI is a new app that will release into schools for a diverse usage of AI functions across curriculum areas. All the other apps already exist, but will now have AI functions integrated to help 1. Debug code, 2. Explain coding concepts, 3. Be incrementally useful in advancing project work with an AI mentor in app. All use of AI involves cost management using tokens. So, like I said, this whole list of apps now will all have AI functions, which is really, really, really epic. And we've been waiting a very long time for this. So, hopefully, like you said, they'll be in the school and passport communities soon because that will be very cool.
Oh
All
man, I
right.
get to use AI in school again.
Yeah. So yeah, so I'm excited for that. That should be fun. Uh, and I guess to kind of end off this episode, let's do a little game, kid, Steven. It will
I love
most likely
GimKid.
just be the two of us because
We got Ultra Zap here.
oh, we have Ultrazap here. All right, Ultrazap can join in. Pretty fun. We'll all play a little Snow Brawl because I'm kind of getting addicted to Snow Brawl. Also the other reason we're playing GimKit is I need to rack up more gum bucks. And the problem is, as you can see, shop. Yeah. So Fiesta is 1,300. I only have 1,000. I'm getting close, but I need more. So yeah. So there we go.
I
Let
currently
me
have 2,350.
Let me get Game Kit kits. All right, let me just get a spam kit. There's so many spam kits, and it's like, okay, we get it. Like, you made a spam kit, but everyone has a spam kit. All right,
Yeah.
Snow Brawl. Continue. I'm gonna do 10 minutes. Snowballs per question, max. That's about it. All right. And then I will paste this code into the chat. The reason I don't think, uh, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. The reason I don't think that we're gonna have a lot of players is just because we didn't put GimKit into the tags, we didn't post it in the server. So I don't think there's gonna be a lot of people knowing that we're playing GimKit, so that's why I don't think we're
Yeah.
gonna get a bunch of players. But we're still gonna play it just because we want to play it. There we go. All right. Also, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. Hopefully I am. I don't think he'll mind. Ultrazap, who is a TSARP correspondent, is starting his own podcast soon, which I will be excited to watch. And yeah, I don't know exactly what the topics will be, but when I do, a perk of being a GimKit TSARP correspondent is that we like to share projects that our correspondents are working on and stuff like that, so you know what they're up to, you know what they're doing. So I'm excited for that, and whenever I get a name and a link in a first episode, I will definitely share that with you guys. All right, so is that you, Steven, eating paper
I'm
pie?
eating paper pie.
I don't even know what that means, but all right, I'm just gonna start the game, and then if people can join late. All right. This map might be a little big for the two of us. like that old cowboy movie. This town ain't big enough for the both of us. No, it's way too big probably, but yeah, it's fine. It's fine. All right, Steven, I'm coming after you. Where are you? I'm looking.
It turns out that I muted myself when I said totally.
Oh.
So when you said this map is too big for the both of us, I totally meant to say something.
All right. Well, thank you, Steven. Where are you? It's too
Also,
big.
I don't think you're sharing your video on the stream.
Oh, no, I'm not. Thank you, Steven. That mistake, I pressed the wrong button. All right. Where are you? Steven, you gotta give me a direction. Oh, I see you.
Uh-oh.
I'm focusing.
He's hitting me.
I'm focusing. I'm shooting. I'm shooting. All right. All right. I'm loading up. No. There we go.
Uh-oh. I'm almost dead.
Oh no, this is bad. I'm losing a little health here. No, 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 no. I'm out of snowball. Snowballs. Hey guys, this ain't great. I need to get off to a good start here. No. Yes, got him. Nice. All right.
Hey,
Oh
Andrew.
no, there you are. I got you. I got you. I must. Right?
Whoa,
I
I just
must.
lagged for a second.
I Elon Musk. Yes.
Bruh. That didn't even hit me.
But
That's so
your
sus.
shot still killed, almost killed me. I'm at 44 now. I probably shouldn't have told you that. That's really bad. Uh-oh. Focusing. All right. Oh no,
Yes.
that's bad. Steven was going quiet because he was focusing too.
I had to focus up.
You had to lock in, as the kids say.
I'm a kid.
You tried to shoot me, but you couldn't.
This is not good, Andrew.
Oh, how did you
Oh,
do?
whoa.
Maybe this time. Maybe this time. It's really not going well here.
Oh no.
I'm trying to. Oh, nope. This is bad.
Yes.
This is bad. This is bad. This is really bad. Okay. Nope. Maybe have it. Nope. Really don't. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Whoa.
Oh no. Oh no. No. I tried, but I failed. Maybe. Maybe. I think I even landed one shot on you.
Whoa.
Maybe this one.
Oh. Whoa.
Nope. Nope. I'm just spraying. This game's like a lot of spraying normally. That's mainly what it is. I gotta be strategic. Isn't there a board game called Strategio? No, something like
What?
that. It's a board game.
Sorry.
No, no, no. It's like called like Strategio or something. That didn't hit you. I'm trying to not spray, and it's really not how this game's supposed to be played. No, okay, rigged. I'm calling up Josh. I'm saying it's
I'm hacking. I
Bros,
got Gimkit hacks.
bros. It's okay. I hit you that time, and you didn't take damage. Wait, Steven, stay still. Stay still, Steven. Let me see. Okay, never mind. I was getting too annoyed that it wasn't hitting, and I needed to make sure. Let's just check this leaderboard for a second. Oh no. You have 6 knockouts. I have 2. Uh-oh.
Gimkit aim hacks. You're shooting a snowman.
Okay, I hit you multiple times. I have no idea how that didn't hit you.
Whoa. That was like a streak I had there. What'd you do for career day, Andrew?
Oh, yeah. Good career day today. That was very good.
It was pretty fun.
What classes did I have? I had business and finance beginning. That one was alright. The problem is the category is too broad. So they're like, well, there's all different kinds of business. And they're like, there's small business, there's corporate, and then they went into there wasn't enough time basically. Like they tried their best, there just wasn't enough time and they were trying to cover too many topics. So maybe like next time they break it down, like small business owner, entrepreneurship, which would be a great class on its own, and then maybe they have like, a whole nother part for like finance, like break it up, and then I think that would be better. And then I had film and video, which was cool because it was the high school teacher, and he came in because they have a whole class over there, and that was very good. They had a very like he showed a clip of like stuff they're doing over there, and the short video was actually pretty good. I had to admit, I thought it was gonna be like some cringy thing. No, it actually wasn't. So it was cool. And then what else did I have? I'm trying to think. Oh, I had medicine. There's a PA, but I know like about medicine because my aunt's a PA. So yeah.
Yeah.
And then yeah, so it was all good. I had a few others, but Steven, what did you have?
So I started off with film and video, and then whatchamacallit. So then I had after film and video I had I can't remember now. That's not good. Oh, it was law enforcement.
Oh, okay. See, I didn't have that one. Tell me about that.
So really, there was the school resource officers there. They talked about like the main things of Suffolk County Police Department, like the whole system that you have to go through, the test you have to take. It was actually pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. different categories of a policeman you can be, which I think is like awesome. I just thought I knew some people were trained to do specific things, but I didn't know it was like down to the nitty gritty. Like they have a separate category for investigation and then like crime scene investigation. Yeah. So the school resource officers talked to us about that. It was actually I actually think it was pretty cool. There's also a program you can take before you turn 21 from ages 13 to 21. I might do that. I don't know. It depends on what I want to do when I get older cuz I like computers and stuff, but I also like getting hands-on and everything. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
I
Like
like
engineering.
yes.
That was also
I
my third class.
That was cool. I had engineering, and that was cool. And I agreed a lot with what that guy was saying. Like he was like, if you like this stuff, you would like engineering. And I know I already like engineering. I just don't know what comes first in my mind, like computer science or low tech or high tech, as my technology teacher, who is awesome, says. Um, he's great, by the way. Just want to. I'm not just saying that because he listened to the podcast. No, I'm not, but he's actually a really cool teacher. But anyway, um, he I never heard those terms before, low tech and high tech, but that makes sense. Like low tech, is like kind of like engineering, working with different tools and building things, and then high tech is like computers and AI, and like coding and programming. That's all like kind of high tech. So anyway, I like both a lot, and I just don't
Yeah.
know which one I would like more. But engineering really brings together those two. The sad thing is like you really have to like you can't have a perfect split. If you're an engineer, most of it's like, hands-on stuff, and then a little bit sometimes is with computer science and coding. And if you're like a computer, like full on, software engineer, like you never really touch the hardware. So it's like, say, I wish
Yeah.
there was a better mix, but that's just not how really companies work. There's no point to the company itself to have both. But yeah, so I agree with you, Steven. I like both.
Yeah, cause then my fourth class, I had engineering and robotics. Most of the stuff was engineering, cause engineering's cool. Engineering's like the best thing that ever happened. But yeah, so the guy was there for engineering and robotics. Did you have him?
Um, um, it was just engineering, so I don't know.
Oh, so that he worked for a company that made specific parts that they sold to another company which built fighter jets for the military. Like one of the ones pieces he's working on right now, I think, if I remember correctly, are pieces for the F-35 and the F-18. I don't remember. I don't think it was F-18. Oh no, yeah, it was the F-18. But he showed us a small panel, right? Now he's the more hands-on guy. He's the guy that builds the stuff. He showed us a small panel he made for the inside of the engine, which is made of a special metal alloy. He said it's worth whoa, sorry guys. He said it's worth anywhere from $70,000 to $80,000. It was probably like 2 feet by 1 foot. And then he showed us a cool little turbine thing, mabobber. I don't know. It was a piece that went inside the combustion chamber of the jet. Yeah, he said it was worth like 6,000, I think, if I remember. But yeah, it was that part. It was cool. He's also the advisor for the robotics team in the high school.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's just a lot of really cool people there. I love Career Day. And we never got to go to the one in elementary
Fifth
school
grade. Yeah.
because of the very
COVID.
sad pandemic, COVID.
Oh no.
Um, but yeah, I wish I did. They had it today. Their Career Day was also today. But yeah, so maybe. Well, yeah, well, we'll never go to that, but
We
unless
should
we
go back.
like get pulled back. Is that what they called held back? It's held back. But no, we're not being held back. They're literally pulling us through grades. That would be really bad if we went back to 5th grade. I don't think that's even legal. But yeah. All right. Well, very interesting, Steven. I'll have to talk to you more another time. But yeah. All right. about career day, not just in general. We talk a lot in general, but I mean about
We have
career
to
day.
talk more,
We have to
Andrew.
talk more, Steven. All right. Well, thank you all for watching today's episode. No, it was a little slow on news, but on Tuesday, we'll have double news day. I love when we have a day off because the news builds and there's so much news. It's a lot of fun because like we go through it, we run through it, we try to speed run. So it will be a great episode on Tuesday. So I hope I see you all there. It will be a lot of fun, and see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.